Introducing the Deluxe Erection Combination Battery and Manual System Kit. This revolutionary product is designed to help men achieve a strong erection with ease. The kit contains 7 numbered rings, each a different size, a user-friendly vacuum pump battery-operated device, a mounting cone, a transparent tube, and an instructional video. With a success rate of 95% for all men, this kit does not require a prescription. Say goodbye to the stress and frustration of erectile dysfunction and hello to a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. The Deluxe Erection Combination Battery and Manual System Kit is discreet, easy to use, and effective. Don't let ED hold you back any longer. Take control of your sexual health and confidence with this innovative solution. Order your kit today and experience the difference for yourself.